Hello, everyone. Sorry if my voice is a little cracky today. I am still a little under the weather, but doing the best I can. So, we are doing the napkin exchange for 2022. This has been fun. I got some beautiful napkins from Theresa B DIY. They're beautiful. I had so many to pick through that I really wasn't sure what I wanted to do. So, I had two of these wood signs. One says family, and I really love this flowered napkin that she gave me. So I decided to use that for the family. I'm sort of still new about using iron for like putting decoupage and then taking the napkin, laying it over, and using an iron. I'm still very new at that. And I definitely want to keep learning the technique because it does do a great justice when you're trying to do this Mod Podge with the decoupage. That's what it's called, decoupage. But I am still new at it and I am learning more techniques as I watch other YouTubers, which is a great way to learn things. I'm still a little bit on the fence about burning stuff. I don't like the smell that it gives once it burns a napkin but I have done it a few times. I am getting better at it. It's still very um, interesting to see it do that, to burn all the way around the edges. But it's really hard to get in the center areas of a design. So sometimes I will use a razor blade and trim away that paper area just to make it look like it's supposed to. I'm just afraid I'm going to burn the napkin if I get a lighter too close to that area. So do what you feel is necessary. Just be careful. Make sure that you put something metal underneath when you're doing this burning technique because you don't want to burn your house down. And just be very cautious of your surroundings when you're doing this. Other than that, I enjoyed it. It was fun. I love doing signs, and I love the way this one turned out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been a lot of fun for me. And thank you for inviting me to be in this collaboration with all the other YouTubers in here. It's been a wonderful experience to do this with Sarah and Theresa. I just want to give them a humongous plug and say thank you very much for inviting me for the napkin exchange for 2022. The host of this was Sarah from Sunflowers DIYing and Theresa from Theresa B DIY. Thank you so much for inviting me. Once I started looking at the flowers that was on the family, I just felt like it needed a flower. So I went into my flower box, which I have tons of flowers, and decided to pull out one of the roses that I used in a prior DIY, and I had to make it a little bit smaller, and I wanted to dot the eye with it. Had a rhinestone, used one of the leaves. It looks beautiful. I'm so thankful. I hope you like it. So, my second DIY is this beautiful bumblebee. I found it at Myers and they were in the discontinue where they were probably just trying to get rid of things and move it. So I got it at like $3, which was not that bad. I love bumblebees. I have bumblebees in my kitchen. I just think they're really pretty. So what I started doing was I painted the body black so that way I would be able to do some kind of other technique with the body. So I started painting it black. Then I was thinking paint the wings white to make them stand out a little bit for when I started doing my techniques with the napkins. And I have these beautiful sunflower and buffalo check napkins. And I really thought that would be a great little plug for Sarah's sunflowers because she just loves sunflowers. And I'm so thankful that I was able to use these napkins in this collaboration since she is the host. So let's just watch me put this together. And I hope you are inspired to do the same. And thank you so much for being here. And I'm going to let you guys listen to some music while I speed through this because this is probably the longest video I've ever made. And I am a little shocked that it took so long to finish it, but a lot of techniques, a lot of making sure things dried, and making sure things turned out the way that I wanted it to. So, just want to let you guys know that I am very thankful for you to watch my video and enjoy. this hot, so I did not use my hands in any way. I did not want to get burnt from this. Very thankful of having sewing pens around and things like that, because otherwise I would have got burnt. So this looks like a honey pot, but it's not. But somehow I must have left my glue gun on, and it got heated over. So we have honey in the area, but it's not the honey that we really want. So saved my glue gun, thank God, because I only had it a few months. But just remember, if you do not turn it off, you could have some serious issues, just like I did. So I got that on. That looks really good. And now I got these eyes. And I will be turning this glue gun off, because I have never had a cordless one. So this is for you guys all to be aware that this stuff can happen, unfortunately. At least it happened to someone, and you saw it online. So it looks a lot better. And clean off the glue off my bumblebee. And I am very, very, very happy that I was selected to be part of this group. Thank you so much. And you guys all have a great and blessed day. And thank you for watching. And please share and subscribe to everyone. And please watch the playlist, because it is a lot of very, very, very creative people. And we all need a little creativity in our lives. Thank you so much. And you guys all enjoy this video. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, how about